Again, Robert, I am excited that you'll be leading our presentation tomorrow. There is a variety of topics that's very important for us to discuss. But the most important one that I want you to discuss, you need to write this down, is how we need to understand how the people in this company understand where we need to go. And we need to understand how they and I think that's very important, and that's something that everybody needs to hear tomorrow. So, again, I'm really excited for you to discuss that important topic. Well, I gotta head to my dentist appointment, so I will see you first thing tomorrow morning. I'm looking forward to it.